I'm here in the kitchen today at Colorado State University, and today I'm going to show you how to microwave a sweet potato. So we're starting with a clean sweet potato that I already washed, and what you're going to do is just take a fork and prick it around the potato. This way it will allow the steam to escape. And then going to take our microwave safe plate, and just one paper towel will work. If it's a bigger potato you might need two. And we're just going to wrap it up in the paper towel. And then we're going to put it in the microwave here. And I'm going to set it for 4 minutes because I have a smaller sweet potato on high, but you might want to do 5 minutes depending on the size. And then we're going to flip it. So the first 4 minutes is up. I'm going to flip my sweet potato in the microwave. In here, it should be warm but not too hot. I'm just going to flip that over, close it up, and set it for another 4 minutes. So I just took the sweet potato out of the microwave, and you know it's done when it's nice and soft to the touch. So I'm just going to unwrap it, discard this, and then cut it down the middle. Here you can see there's steam coming out. It's nice and soft in the middle. And right now you can eat it plain, or you can top it with butter or cinnamon or sugar, whatever you like. And it's as simple as that.